Later this month, Hennepin County Judge Regina will determine the fate of Kim Potter. The former Brooklyn Center police officer was convicted in December of first and second degree manslaughter for fatally shooting Daunte Wright during a traffic stop last April. Under Minnesota statutes, Potter will be sentenced on the most serious charge of first-degree manslaughter. As for how Judge Chu will rule, we asked a local criminal defense attorney to weigh in.
In this particular case, a presumptive sentence is 86 months in prison. There is a range that the judge can sentence between. The low end of the box is 74, and the high end of the box is 103. For the judge to do something different than that, either to give more time or less time, or as the defense is asking, to sentence Kim Potter to probation, the court has to find substantial and compelling reasons to treat this case differently than the average case.
Matt Olson is a criminal defense attorney from Martin and Wagner Law Firm in Rogers. The prosecution says Potter should face a sentence above the state's guidelines because she abused her authority as a police officer and endangered others when she fired her weapon. The defense, meanwhile, argues that Potter should get a lower sentence or possibly even probation. Olson says it's difficult to say whether the judge will issue a sentence above the sentencing guidelines, but he says it's likely that Potter won't receive probation.
So there wasn't anything legally requiring Judge Chu to take Kim Potter into custody. Judge Chu certainly could have said, you know what, I'm going to leave things as is, come back on the sentencing date, you'll appear out of custody, and I'm going to make a decision at that point what I'm going to do from a sentencing perspective. The fact that she took Kim Potter into custody leads me to believe, as sort of a threshold decision, Judge Chu has likely decided that she's not going to grant a downward dispositional departure and place Kim Potter on probation.
Judge Chu will sentence Potter on February 18th.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.